A very common anomaly, especially among females, is that teeth number 8 and 9 are often asymmetrical, and in this case we see that tooth number 8 is about a millimeter shorter than tooth number 9. So we're going to use the iLase in the gingivectomy setting in order to correct this situation. We've placed a topical anesthetic previously, and because we're only removing about a millimeter of tissue, it's really not crucial at what angle we hold the laser in order to adjust this tissue. Note that this video is shot in real time, and you can get a sense for how quickly this tissue can be recontoured very nicely. Notice how much more efficiently the laser works when you're able to initiate the sides and not just the tip. At this point, you've probably noticed that this is the same patient that we recently completed the labial frenectomy procedure on. I believe that this emphasizes the multifunctional uses of the iLase, where we're able to do multiple procedures in one appointment, and most of these procedures we were not able to offer previously. Using a wet cotton roll, we're able to remove any excess tissue. And at this point, our procedure is complete. We can see that the length of both 8 and 9 is now identical. I think you'll be amazed at the results you'll see immediately post-operatively using a diode laser.